Hello everyone. So we are going to make a dangle for this journal and it's going to be a little different. So I'm cutting this piece of metal chain and I'm going to put a circle thing on there. My brain just fried, sorry. And then we're going to put a keychain and make our dangle that way. I love using keychains. I just started. It's a fun way to, have something fun dangling on your book. But if you really want the keychain to go with you, you can put it in your keychain keys. So here I am putting these back together so they are good. And I am having a little issues getting it lined up. So there we go. And now what I'm doing is holding it down and taking a bit of this twine and yarn and getting it to the size I want. So I wind up cutting my threads and that's the size that I use for it. So it doesn't hang too low and all that. And so now I am just like literally taking the different stuff I have. This is a Halloween ribbon set that I got at Michael's. And so I am just taking it, pulling it apart, making the lengths that I have set and just picking what I want. So now what I'm doing is taking off that keychain and I'm going to pull these through to make the dangle portion of it. And I am going to, I'm just fixing so you can actually see the right sides of stuff. And then I'm going to take a piece of, it's not embroidery thread, but you can use embroidery thread. It's basically like a rope to make bracelets with and stuff. So I'm getting some of that to put on there. And now I'm just tying this on. It's totally the wrong color and I would not normally do that, but it's for me, so I don't care. And so I am just tying this to make sure it fits. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for joining me. And I want you guys to know that you are important. Don't ever forget that. Thanks. Bye.